TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Right now, you get the Dow up 249. Nasdaq's up 104. S&Ps are up 37. We have the gold contract down $2.40, traded at $1,095 an ounce. Silver is up 7 cents, $14.17 an ounce. Platinum up 18 at $8.36 an ounce. Copper is $2.01 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.84, $31.37. Bonds, the 10-year down 18 ticks, 128. The 30-year off a full point, 8 ticks, 158.09. The bonds are pulling back. We'll see whether we get volume on the way back. It looks to me like the 10-year has topped out. King dollar up 287 ticks, 99.41. Now, King dollar, folks, went topside yesterday. Had the price spread, but guess what? Didn't have the volume, gave it up on price. King dollar is building cause to get into lower price. I expect we're going to get down somewhere about the 95 level. Euro down 59 at 108, and the yen is trading at 118.54. We get over there and we take a look at the S&Ps, and what you're going to see is that you're going to charge forward once again. This B to C of an ABC structure on the way down is setting up. We had, we hit the lows. Lows got hit out there with 286 million. Yesterday, as we start climbing high, it did 195 million. What you're going to be looking at is this. You're going to be looking at, as we move up into the lows that were generated on December 18th, or if you're looking at price, we're at 190. That'll be 199 on the SPY. You're going to see it contract all the way up. If we get the contraction on the way up, that is a much higher probability that's an ABC structure on the way down. That's in your SPY. And the NDX 100 and the Qs, the same type of setup. What you have is that we hit the low, had volume at the low. The Qs had a volume of 86 million at the low. Yesterday, we climbed higher with 61 million. And as you get into higher price, and the Qs can get up here into the 109.38 level. Bottom line, what is that setting up? That's setting up the B to C of a very large ABC structure on the way down. We go over to the gold contract. Bottom line, gold is building cause to blow away the swing point from the January 8th level. You have a Friday, and on a Friday, normally they can take gold to the cleaners. Well, guess what? It's not happening. What we had on Tuesday, you get to a price point of 1109. We do 193,000 contracts. Yesterday, we get to 1104, and we do 179,000 contracts. That right there is showing that you're building cause. Why? Because you're laying under a swing point, a high. You're laying under there with volume building, and on a Friday, it can't even back off. In fact, we've backed off $1.70, and we've done 69,000 contracts. Bonds, 10-year. Now, 10-year, gave it up at the highs. You're backing down out here today with 652,000 contracts. Now that's light contracts. So bonds will basically talk, walk, and squawk somewhere around the 127 area. Right now we're at 128.04. And good old King dollar. What you have with King dollar? King dollar gave it up in like spades yesterday. We got up to the price point of 99.95. Couldn't handle price. Back down. I expect you're going to see the King dollar go back down to that 97.25 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. If you'd like to get more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or you can go to everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day, great weekend, safe weekend. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.